Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung A04e camera is not working, showing camera error, or opening with a black screen, don't worry. This video will show you exactly how to fix it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to diagnose the problem using Samsung's hidden test menu, and then I'll walk you through two simple solutions that can fix the camera in just a few minutes. First, we need to check whether the problem is caused by software or hardware. Open your phone dialer and type the Samsung secret code *#0*# or *#88#**. This will open the Samsung Engineering Test menu. Inside this menu, tap Megacam to test the rear camera or tap Front Cam to test the selfie camera. If the camera opens normally here, the hardware is working perfectly, which means the problem is software related. But if the camera does not open or shows a black screen, the issue may be related to the camera hardware module.
Did the secret test open your camera? Comment yes or no.
Now let's try the software fix. Go to Settings, then open Apps, find Camera, and tap Storage. Now press Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your phone and test the camera again. In many cases, this will completely fix the problem. However, if the camera still fails in the test menu, the issue may be a damaged camera module or loose connector inside the phone. In that case, the camera will need to be checked or replaced by a technician. And that's it. Now you know how to diagnose and fix Samsung A04e camera problems using the secret test menu. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.